Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English with the teachers of elementary school in Enrekang. Okay everyone, let's we started.
You love me, it is me. Kamu cinta saya? Number 2, I see you. Saya melihat kamu. Number 3, we talk to him. Kami berbicara dengan dia. I look for her. Saya melihat dia. Perempuan. They need it. Mereka membutuhkannya. You see us. Kamu melihat kami. Don't disturb them. Jangan ganggu mereka.
Okay everyone, let's we take a look. The next video.
You love me. It is me. Number 2. I see you. 3. We talk to him. 4. I look for her. 5. They need it. You see us. 7. Don't disturb them. Thank you very much for attention, please.
Now I want to repeat our materials of object pronouns. Number 1, you love me, it's me. Number 2, I see you. Number 3, we talk to him. Number 4, I look for her. Number 5, they need it. Number 6, you see us. Number 7, don't disturb them. Thank you so much for watching and listening. See you. Bye.
Good morning.
Pronouns. Number 1, I sit on the chair. Number 2, you swim at swimming pool. 3, he studies at school. Number 4, she dances at stage. Number 5, eat at table. Number 6, we speak Number 7, they work at office. They work at office. Thank you very much. Pronouns.
Personal pronouns.
Number 1, I sit on the chair.
Number 1, I sit on the chair.
Number 2, you swim at swimming pool.
Number 2, you swim at swimming pool.
3, he studies at school.
Number 3, we study at school.
Number 4, she dances at stage.
Number 4, she dances at stage.
Number 5, eat at table.
Number 6.
We speak English.
Number 6. We speak English.
Number 7.
Number 7.
They work at office.
They work at office.
They work at office.
They work at office. Artinya Bu Guru.
Number 7. They work at school.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.